Hi, I'm Brandy, and this is Hound Dog Hollow. Today we're going to be unboxing my beautiful Sugarmuses box. I am really excited because I have subscribed for their new Midnight Muses box, which I should be getting next month, along with my regular Sugarmuses box. So I'm really excited for that. And of course, this is the Deluxe Muse box. I'll leave the information and the descriptor below. It's about $54 or somewhere in there. I'll leave it definitively in there. But they also have a regular Muse box, which is less expensive, and now they have a Midnight Muse box, but I think it's sold out, so you might have to wait till May. But check it out. Information's below. Let's look at it. Ooh, Beltane. Insert. Come back to that. Ooh, hawthorn berries. Let's put the art here. I want you to see all the goodies. Hawthorn berries, yarrow, and what kind of beautiful, beautiful things do I have here? Oh, I broke a little thing off of it. God, I'm clumsy. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's get these dealy bobbers out of there very, very gently, because, I mean, my grandmother used to tell me when I was a little girl and I would break something, it is bruta. And I have not changed in the subsequent 25 years. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? I've got a little bit of hot glue dealy bobbers, but nothing that a little gentle, keyword gentle, touch up won't hurt. So pretty, pretty, pretty. I don't have anything like this. Ooh, this is a box full of goodies. Ooh, Beltane candle. I'm getting like a honeysuckle, maybe? Let's see what we got here. Ooh, I got a rose quartz. I love rose quartz. I frankly do not believe that you can have too much rose quartz. Oh, a different package for the bath salts. Nice. Beautiful. I can't smell it, but that's good. This smells delicious. Okay. Gotta be careful. Flora ritual oil. It smells a lot like the candle. I like to save the jewelry for last, guys. Oh, I got another stone. It almost reminds me of a rough rose quartz. Aww. Now this, I absolutely love. Love it. I'm going to a star. Does it say something? Oh, because I was looking at the back side. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Alright guys, let's read this insert. Chrissy did a really good job this month. She does a good job every month, guys. This is a really nice box. Okay. This month's box was curated and created to celebrate Beltane. Celebrated April 30th to May 1st. The earliest May Day celebrations appeared with the Floralia, Festival of Flora, the Roman goddess of flowers, held between April 27th and May 3rd. The Oaths Sea, often referred to as spirits or fairies, were thought to be especially active at Beltane, as at Samhain, and the goal of many Beltane rituals was to appease them. Most scholars see the Aussie as remnants of the pagan gods and nature spirits. Beltane was a springtime festival of optimism, during which fertility ritual again was important, connecting with the waxing power of the sun. The bale fire, or bell fire, is a tradition that goes back a long time, and a fire lit at Beltane is said to bring both protection and prosperity. Beltane bonfires are traditional ways to purify by burning away the last remnants of winter and turning stuck energy into vibrant power and life. So, patchouli vanilla incense sticks. Yum. Ritual salts, which are going to be this is just ritual salts. Natural salts are most, I was just wondering if it had herbs in it. Wonderful for cleansing, charging, scrying minerals, casting circles, and purification baths. I almost always use them as a bath. Beltane ritual oil. Natural botanical and flower essential oils of vanilla, patchouli, and honeysuckle, and a sunflower oil base infused with jasmine buds and vitamin E oil. Use this oil to anoint yourself, candles, charms, talismans, etc. Organic yarrow, organic hawthorn berries, rose quartz, pink hue. In ancient Greek Borgias, it is said that Ares wounded Adonis in combat. As Aphrodite rushed to the side of Adonis, her lover, she caught herself on a thorn. Blood from the lovers dripped on clear crystal and stained it pink as a lasting symbol of their love. Keep it out of sunlight. Cleanse often with sage or incense smoke, or buried in the earth and then rinse several times with rose water to recharge. Himalayan salt, which is the peach hue. Not to be gross, but it's salt. Yum. So, also known as pink witch salt, it is known for purifying air, promoting sleep, and radiating calming energy. Hand-poured Beltane candle. So, it contains soy wax, dried flowers, dried honeysuckle, jasmine, and essential oil. Beltane grapevine wreath. Maypoles, wreaths, and baskets were commonly decorated with flowers and symbols of spring for Beltane. While I was working on these wreaths this past month, I was honored to be able to deeply connect to the earth and her nature spirits. I was enchanted by the smell of the moss and dirt, the endless circle of grapevines symbolizing the cycles of life, the fragile preserved flowers that still held the scent of past summers. This wreath was handmade to help you celebrate this season. Use it during your Beltane ritual, place it on your altar, or simply hang it on the wall for spring decoration. Wow, this is beautiful. Sterling silver charm pendant. Charge your pendant to get the maximum benefit from it. Original artwork. And then she has a little clothing. I've never seen that really before, but ooh, she included a suggested ritual. Fancy. So this is Sugarmuses for April 2019. I like it very much. I like this. I've never gotten this. This smells wonderful. I always love those stones. I don't think I have either of those herbs. I collect the artwork. I use these for baths. I'm going to be honest, guys. I get a lot of ritual oils, and I probably have about 40, and I use maybe 3. So stay tuned. I'm probably going to do something really fun with them. So stay tuned for that if you like ritual oils. This is lovely. This is Sugarmuses. This is their deluxe muse box. This is April. It has a Beltane theme. I love it. I recommend it to you guys. Again, I'm not sponsored. This is my personal opinion. I just really like every box that I get in a different way. So if you like this box, let me know. Give me some feedback. Give me some comments. Stay tuned for a Sugar Muse giveaway, if not next month, then the month after, depending on when I get 1,000 views and when I can get a box, because Sugar Muses sells out frequently. So it might be May or June. Stay tuned. And, you know, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Lots of good luck. Plenty of spring fun. Enjoying everything every day. Have a good one.